Thank you for downloading the Imperial Assault Character Tracker app. I'm going to run you through a tutorial on how this program works. Select a new character, then we'll be taken to the main menu. We can add damage by the red button and minus it. Once you have received enough damage, you will hit a wounded state and then you can be withdrawn. To recover from that, hold down on the damage button to unwound your hero. You can also add strain and remove it by holding down to perform a rest action. We can also add XP by clicking on the XP button. We can add XP with the plus or the minus symbol. Once we have got the correct amount of XP, we can add our skills, and every time we add a skill, it'll change our appearance with the main character. For some characters, if you click their reward, it will create a new picture file for them. In this case, Diala's lightsaber. We can also access the equipment and rewards. Here we can add different types of armor and weapons by selecting through the different symbols at the bottom. You can also add mods to your weapons. Here we'll look at the activations. When we hit the activation icon in the top left hand corner, we can perform different actions. We can interact. We can also add conditions on the main page. You can select the different conditions to add them to your character. You can also go into settings to change the condition to condition animation. This will create new fancy animations for the conditions, like a glow for the focus, or a blur for the stun. When using actions with conditions, some of the conditions may hinder your actions. We also have implemented a kill tracker. You can scroll on the arrows at the right of the screen to select a kill tracker. Clicking on the icon will increase the amount of the kill. Clicking on the number will decrease the amount. If you hold down on a specific icon, you will be able to assist, and assists will add to your statistics, which can be found in the options. You can see your kill death ratio and also other things like how many times activated. You can manually adjust them if you make a mistake. Here in the settings we have a few different things you can look at. The biography for the character. We can also look at the power of the particular character. We can save our character by typing in a manual save slot. We can also change the background of our character to be specific to what type of tiles we might be fighting on. From the options menu, we can also access the settings. We can turn off the damage animation, the action usage, or the condition animation. We can also select a specific image we want. With Quick View, you can hold on the main character to bring up all the items you have equipped. You can also access those items and hold down on them to get a closer view. Now let's go on to Imperial Mode. Imperial Mode, it will help the Imperial player track the heroes in the game. You can access the Bluetooth to scan for devices. Once you have found a device, a hero can join the Imperial player dashboard. When a Bluetooth synced character adds damage or strain, it'll affect the Imperial player dashboard. You can also add characters manually for those who do not have the app, allowing the Imperial player to keep track of all the heroes. Once the Imperial has wounded all the heroes, it leads to an Imperial victory. Let's move on to Party Mode. If you're playing by yourself or with one device, you can add multiple heroes to one device. You can load previously saved characters, or you can add them manually by clicking New. You can adjust the number of heroes you're playing with from 1, 2, 3, and 4. The necessary rewards will be added for heroic and legendary. You have a full range of control with your heroes. By clicking on the lower part of the hero, you can access different things like XP and equipment and conditions. By clicking on the character portrait for a larger view, and you can switch back and forward by clicking on the other portraits. If you click on the multiple people icon, it'll turn you back to the dashboard. With Party Mode, I've added a SoundBoard. These sounds should enhance your play. Have fun with all the sounds. Thank you for downloading the Character Tracker app, or you can download using the link in the description below. Thank you.